Hey everyone! Today I've got a quick and handy tutorial for you. We'll be learning how to remove those cluttered desktop icons on your Windows PC in just a few seconds. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, right-click anywhere on your desktop. A menu will pop up with several options. We're looking for an option called View. Move your cursor over it. Great. Now, you'll see another submenu. And here is where the magic happens. We're interested in an option named Show Desktop Icons. Go ahead and click on Show Desktop Icons to uncheck it. Did you see that? All your desktop icons vanished in a split second. But don't worry, they're not gone forever. We've just hidden them for now. Now, let's say you need those icons back. Simply repeat the process. Right-click on the desktop, go to View, and click on Show Desktop Icons again. And voila, your icons are back, just like that. You can also delete icons from your desktop to make it easier to look at. Just right-click on the icon and select Delete from the menu. This will send the icon or file to the recycle bin, where you can find them later on if you need to. Alternatively, you can click and drag the icons into the recycle bin to delete them.